What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. This time on the Type 1 Air Forces.
Your tracks today.
Status dive, man, I got a lot of shit that's on my mind. Trying to find the perfect way to say goodbye.
Alright, first things first. How does this shoe feel to wear? It's actually extremely comfortable. More comfortable than the regular Air Forces, in my opinion. Yeah, the tongue, the tongue right here, like, it really helps comfort because it's thicker. It's like a mesh. It's thicker basically, and it has like some different type of fabric than the regular Air Forces. You also got the soles. I don't know, the soles feel thicker in this one. They feel thicker than the regular Air Forces. They just feel better overall. Next thing, you got the design. The design is just like, it's different. Like, look at this thing. This thing is crazy. Like, boom, it's just crazy. Like, they got the different tongue on here. They got like the double. I don't even know what you call it, but like this thing on the front of the shoe. It's just nice. You got the strap here. The strap to make it tighter, so you can just slip your shoe on. You can slip it off real quick. And we got to tie the laces. Like, I don't got them tight. Like, I don't tie my laces, like, rarely. And what else? You got the see-through. You got the see-through. This is see-through. Like, if I can get like flash or something. Yeah, trust me. This is see-through. Like, this little part right here is see-through. What else? You got the blue inside of the shoe. I'm gonna give you some close-up on the nice clips and stuff. But yeah, the shoe just has a different approach to, like, the Air Force. It's just a really nice shoe in my opinion. And they also have this tag here. Like kind of like an off-white type thing. And it's just like, I just kept it on there because I just feel like it's a nice addition to the shoe. So I just like bobby pinned it, just put it in my shoe, and yeah, it just adds to the shoe. Just overall, what would I rate it? Give it like a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 is a really good shoe. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. You got, what else you got on this video? You got on feet, you got close-ups, you got it all here. So if you want to purchase this shoe, I'll give you some links down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.
I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey, I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey, I'ma just throw my life away. Hey, I'ma just throw my life away. Hey, lately I've been feeling real lazy. Lately I've been feeling real lazy. I just wanna smoke weed. I just wanna smoke. Get into my time to go. It's my time to go. I don't know when to quit. I don't know when to quit. I just wanna go, man. I just wanna go. I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey, I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey, I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs, they help a lot. Hey. for someone else, let me help you. And you feeling like you found the one, I'm here to say it's true. Oh, please baby, let me help you. Let me help you. You must have mistaken me for someone else, let me help you. And you feeling like you found the one, I'm here to say it's true. Oh, please baby, let me help you. Let me help you. You've been feeling like ain't nothing right, but I'm coming for the night. You can come for the night, and I'm going right. Yeah, I'm going right now, and I'm coming right now. Give me some time, give me a couple minutes on the freeway. Getting tired of dating, it's another day. Feelings gotta go.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.